calculation probability for single mean, we have 4 steps, which is you need to write the of mean sample, which is mu x equal to mu, and then you need to write the standard deviation using this formula. Sigma for sample is equal to sigma for population divided by square root of n. N is referred to the number of sample, and then you need to write the normal distribution form, which is n in bracket mu x is referred to the mean of the sample, and sigma power of 2 is referred to the variance of sample. And last step is you need to find the probability of sample mean using this formula. R is referred to the variables that you want to find. If the value is equal to 2, so R is equal to 2. And mu x is referred to the sample mean, and sigma x is referred to standard deviation of mean. Okay, still remember this step? Clear tak this step before we proceed to the new subtopic?
Clear, Doctor?
Okay, clear, okay. And now we will proceed to next subtopic, which is sampling distribution of the difference between two means. Okay, what is different between this subtopic and previous subtopic? Okay, for subtopic 2.3, we only have one sample. In this sample, we have mu x and sigma x bar. Refer to the mean for sample and standard deviation for sample. This one is first sample. Okay, for subtopic 2.4, we have another sample which is referred to the second sample. This sample also have the value of mu x bar and sigma x bar. So we state this one is mu x bar for first sample, sigma x bar for first sample, and this one is mu x bar for second sample and sigma x bar for second sample. And then we need to find the probability. Alamak, tak ada bateri sekejap And then we need to find the probability between these two samples. For example, okay, x bar, sample mean for x bar for sample 1 is larger than x bar for sample 2. Or x bar 1 minus x bar 2 larger than 2. Ini contoh-contoh ataupun example for sampling distribution for difference between two means. Okay, the steps for calculation probability for two means is quite similar with the previous step. We have 4 steps, same with the previous topic, also have 4 steps. Okay, start with step 1. Okay, if you still remember in chapter subtopic 2.3, we also need to write the mean of sampling distribution. But for single sample, we need to just write mu x is equal to mu. Okay, still remember that's first step for single sample, single mean. Okay, for probability two means, you need to write mu x bar for sample 1. This one is referred to the sample 1 and minus mu x bar. This one is referred to the sample 2. So mu 1 minus mu 2. Mu 1 is referred to the mean from population 1. And mu 2 is referred to mean from population 2. Okay, let's say the value of population, mean for population 1 is equal to 4 and mean for population 2 is equal to 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Okay, so that's for step 1. Okay, for step 2, write the standard deviation of sample mean using this formula. In the probability for single sample, we just use this formula, sigma x bar, sigma square root of n. But for probability for two means, you need to use this formula. Sigma power of 2 divided by n. This one is referred to the number of sample for sample 1, and this one is referred to the number of sample for sample 2. Sigma 1 for population 1, sigma 2 for population 2. And then third step, you need to write the normal form for normal distribution. Mu x bar 1 minus x bar 2, this one is referred to the value which is in step 1. And this value is referred to the value in step 2, but you need to power of 2 because this one is referred to the value of variance. But in step 2, you determine the value of sigma. So to write the normal form for normal distribution, you need to power of 2. Clear? Step 1, step 2, and step 3. Can we proceed to the last step?
Clear.
Okay, clear. Okay. For the last step, to find the probability of sample mean between two means, difference between two means, we have to use this formula. R minus mu. This value will get from step 1. And this value, once you get the value from step 2, so you just substitute into this formula. R is referred to the value for different between two means. For example, we want to find x bar for sample 1 minus x bar for sample 2 larger than 2. So 2 is referred to the R. So just substitute in this formula R 2 and then mu x bar 1 minus x bar 2 here. So refer to the value in step 1 and sigma x bar 1 minus sigma x bar 2 refer to the value from step 2. Okay, any question for the calculation probability? Step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4? Can we proceed to the example?
Can.
Okay, dah. Example 8. Last semester no? Last year 2020. This is the final question in your final exam. I just substitute this word into the artificial trees. Same value, same question A, question B, question C. The difference is this one I substitute with artificial trees. So make sure for your test, for your final, you have to understand the example in our slides. Okay. The mature citrus trees of type A have a mean height of 14.8 feet with a standard deviation 1.2. While for the mature citrus trees of type B have a mean height 12.9 with standard deviation 1.5. Two samples of size 12 and 15 are randomly selected from mature citrus tree of type A and type B respectively. Find the probability that the mean of type A is more than 14 feet. Second, the mean of type B is between 12 to 14. And third one is the mean of type A is 2 feet more than the mean of type B. Okay, for A, the mean of type A is refer to the subtopic 2.3, which is this question only you need to follow the step calculation probability for single mean because it just refer of type A only for one sample. Same with question B, the mean of type B. So for A and B, you just refer to the step in subtopic 2.3. For C, the mean of type A is to fit more than the mean of type B. So, X bar A minus X bar B more 2. 2 fit more. A minus B larger than 2. Anyone, this one, have problem to transform the sentence into this form? For you to substitute the value into the formula of probability, you need to transform the statement from question into this equation. I change the question. The mean of type A is 2 fit less than the mean of type B. So it will be XA minus XB less than 2. Okay, if I said the mean of type A is 2 fit, the mean of type A is more than type B. S bar for A is more than X bar for B. So this is the equation for the statement. Okay, anyone clear about this?
Clear, Doktor.
Clear ke tak? Clear?
Clear.
Okay, good. Okay, kita tengok contoh, kita tengok dia punya contoh. Okay, we will start with A. The mean of type A is more than the value 14 feet. So this one is refer only to type A. So just ignore the information of type B because we just want to focus on type A. So the step is refer to the step in 2.3. Step 1, you need to write mu X bar is equal to mu, which is equal to 14.8. This one is step 1. Step 2, you need to find the value of sigma for sample using this formula. Sigma population divided by number of sample. The value for sigma population is given 1.2. 1.2, while for the number of samples is equal to 12. So just substitute into this formula, we will get the value of sigma sample is equal to 0.34641. Okay, for the third step, you need to write the normal form. XA distribute to normal distribution, the value of mu x and value of sigma power of 2. XA distribute to normal. Mu x is referred to the value in step 1, 14.8, and variance is referred to 0.34641 power of 2. Okay, any question for step 1, step 2, step 3?
No, Doktor. Faham.
Okay, good. Okay, step 4, we need to find the probability of the sample mean for type A. So, we use this formula. R minus mu x bar divided by sigma x bar. Okay, R is more than the symbol is this one. If the question is less than, so the symbol is this one. Okay, more than 14 feet. So here is larger than. 14 minus 14.8. This value is from step 1. And this value is from step 2. So we will get negative 2.31. And then you should draw normal distribution curve. Negative 2.31, left area or right area? Okay, good. Negative 2.31. Okay, kita nak logret yang mana satu? The left area or right area? Nah, larger than. Kita nak define probability which, this one. Okay. So, how to find the probability? J Murdoch table only can read this value. Okay, 2.31 is symmetry. This value is symmetry. Remember, untuk normal distribution, right area and left area is symmetry. So, to get the value of in this area, you just find the value in J Murdoch table, refer to 2.31. 2.31. Jalaluddin. Jalaluddin.
Ya, doktor.
Okay, 2.31 refer to J Murdoch table. What is the value? Make sure you dah ada J Murdoch table You dah standby dengan J Murdoch table. Jalaluddin, the value probability for 2.31 based on J Murdoch table, table 3.
Table 3 je.
Table 3 kan?
Table 2. Table 2.
Table 3, normal distribution. Table 2 is referred to Poisson distribution. Table 1 is referred to binomial distribution. Right? Am I wrong?
Yep.
Okay. Table 3. Jalaluddin, please refer to table 3 for value 2.31. What is the probability?
0.01072.
0.0172. Yang lain? Yang lain. Jalaluddin jumpa tak? 0.010444.
Jumpa silap tadi.
Okay. So, the value of 0.01044 is referred to this area. While we need to find the probability for this area yang saya lorek ni. As I mentioned last week, the area for normal distribution curve is equal to? Yes. So, in order to get this value of the value of this area, so you need to 1 minus 0.01044. And the final answer is equal to 0.9896. Okay, clear tak yang ni?
Clear, doktor.
Okay, good. Okay, and then we proceed to question B. Find the mean of right.
Ada orang yang tak dapat masuk.
Macam section last day, yesterday, saya dah lantik seorang tau. Saya tak nak terganggu macam ni lah. Tengok saya dah kena discard. So, pilih seorang, mana yang saya nak admitnya, mana? Tak ada pun. Tak ada pun. Lantik seorang ketua kelas next week. Selasa cuti kan? Esok. Hari Khamis. Hari Khamis. Pilih kat sini salah seorang untuk create Google Meet link and that person yang kena bagi link Google Meet dan dia lah yang tukang admit student. Pilih seorang. Cepat. Volunteer. Cepat seorang. Saya pilih nama kang. Anyone? Free to volunteer? Dah. Muhammad Azrin Rezwan. Muhammad Azrin. Tak ada ke Muhammad Azrin ni? Muhammad Azrin? Muhammad Azrin tak ada? Join saja tapi tak dengar. Muhammad Azrin?
Ya Doktor.
Boleh saya lantik you jadi ketua kelas.
Boleh, insyaAllah boleh.
So okay, thank you. So for section, you are from section 7 or section 8?
Section 7.
Okay, good. Section 7, Muhammad Azrin. The next class, you need to create Google Meet link and then post in our WhatsApp group. So make sure you yang admit nanti kalau ada yang minta lah supaya nanti tak mengganggu. Okay. Can we proceed with